So next part of the factorization is factorization by grouping. So some expressions do not have a factor that is common to all their terms. For example, we have this expression here, 2x y plus 4x plus 3y plus 6. So if we look on into all these terms, so we do not see anything which is common in all. So in such cases, we can group the expression. Like here in this, I can group here these two and these two. So this is group 1 and this is group 2. So in the first group, we will try to find out a common factor, HCF, what we can take outside the bracket. So 2 is here, 4. First we will look for the number 2 and 4. So 2 is common in that. So outside the bracket we can put 2. Then we will look for the letters. So we can see x is in both of them. So x can come out. Now y, it's there in the first term but it is not in the second term. So only 2x will come out. If this 2x is gone out, so what is left? Y. Plus sign. Now here this 4 is like, it can be written 2 times 2. So one of the 2 is outside here and x is gone outside. So you are left with only 2 in this. So next group, we have positive sign here, we will put positive. Now we see there is no variable here, so we will just look for the number. So that is 3. This is 3 and this 6 can be written as 3 times 2. So we are taking out 3. This 3 and this 3 gone out. So inside the bracket we will have this 3 is gone. So you are left with only y here plus then this 3 is gone out. So you are left with 2. So now in these groups you can see you have now y plus 2 common in both these terms. So we will take out this y plus 2 now. So y plus 2. So when this y plus 2 is gone, you can see if you hide this, so what will remain here in the bracket? This and this. These two are gone. Y plus 2 from this is out. So inside the bracket we have here 2x plus 3. So this is the factor of this expression. Now another example. 6x plus 3 plus 2x plus y. Again there is nothing common in all the 4 terms. So we can group them. This is group 1, group 2. So if you see here, this 6 can be written as 3 times 2. So this is 3 times 1. So here 3 is out and then inside the bracket we will, this 3 is gone. So you have 2x plus this 3 is gone out. So you are left with 1. So sometimes students get confused. If 3 is out, then there is 0. It's not 0 because 3 times 1 is 3. So 3 is gone outside. So you are left with 1 only. And in the second group, let's see, we have y common here. So inside the bracket you will have this y is gone. So that is 2x. This y is gone. So plus 1. So again like this is y times 1. So when y is out, then there is 1 remaining. So now you see we have 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 in both. So now this 2x plus 1, we will take these two out. So you are left with only 3 plus y. So this will be the final answer of this. Let's do another example. AB minus AC plus 4B minus 4C. So group 1, then group 2. So if we look at the first group, we have A in common here. a is outside. Inside the bracket we will have b minus c. Then here in the second group you have 4 and 4. 4 in both, 4 is out, b minus c. So now you can see again v minus c is common, b minus c. So inside the bracket we will have a plus 4. Simple. So this is a clue. Whatever you will get in the first bracket, after taking out HCF you will have another thing same as in the first bracket. So that's it. So now question number 4. We have 2x squared minus 3x plus 2xy minus 3y. Group 1, group 2. In the first group we have only x common. So you have 2 here. This is x times x. 1x is gone out. Another remaining there. Plus 3. And in this group we have only y common. So then this is 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 in the bracket x plus y. So this is the factor of this. I hope you understood now.